Hey everyone, and welcome back to GoHighLevel 360. In this video, I wanted to go over some common mistakes that are made when doing the A2P registration for phone numbers and common FAQs that I've been seeing in the High Level Official Community Facebook group. So I just wanted to hop on here and kind of show you guys. I too have experienced being denied for A2P over and over again, and it's been a really frustrating process for some of my clients, whereas I have other clients where they're instantly approved within a couple of days. So I just wanted to come on here and share with you a few different places you can look directly within the High Level Help Center that will help you when you're completing your A2P, as well as just answering some of the questions that I've seen. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first question that I know I've seen people have is, do I need a terms and conditions for my customer's website? And the answer to this question I found is yes. Recently, I had two separate businesses that I went ahead and did the A2P for, and both of them did not have a terms and conditions, and both of them were denied. They were approved for the branding, but they were denied the campaign registration. And so when I went over to see why, it said that there's a terms and conditions issue. So what I did was I went ahead and I created a terms and conditions page for both of those clients, and I went ahead and added that into the compliance checkbox or compliance box on all of the forms. And once I did that, the campaign was approved for both of those clients. So that was the issue with their registration. Additionally, I've had some clients where they went ahead and did the A2P on their own. And when they were rejected, I went in to see how they filled it out. And I realized that when they did their sample messaging, they were saying something like, "Hi, John, here is the business information that you requested," or "Here is your appointment information." It's important that when you're doing your sample messaging, make sure that you're introducing yourself and your brand to that customer in that message. So for instance, make sure that you're putting, "Hey, this is Jane with GoHighLevel 360. That way you're identifying who you are and your business within the message. So even something as simple as not putting that in there can get you denied for approval. Now, additionally, in the help docs, I'll go ahead and link this in the description. So this is A2P 10DLC campaign approval best practices. So if you go through this article, you're going to scroll through. It's going to take you step by step through how you should put in the messaging and the opt-in messaging as well. And it's also going to help you specifically with like the opt-in checkbox, what it should look like. And then additionally here you can see ensure data accuracy and consistency. So it's going to take you through best practices. So a lot of the times when you are denied, you can easily go to this document and it can kind of help you walk you through, okay, this is how I did my A2P. Let's see what High Level says. Now I see what I did wrong. Let me go and make that small adjustment. A lot of the times with the A2P, when you're getting denied, from my experience, it's been something really small, like not having a terms and condition page and having to create one and add that into the opt-in. So I'll go ahead and link this in the description. I think it may help, a few people with getting their A2P approved. And then as well, there's also an FAQ. So High Level did a webinar on the A2P 10DLC. So they actually created a page within the Help Center where there's a video recording of this as well as FAQs that were asked. So this is also a great place that you can go. It may help answer your questions because somebody might have asked that same question on the webinar, and here it is. So I'll go ahead and link this down in the description below as well. Additionally, here's a document on LC phone messaging policy. So the reason why I'm mentioning this is I have had clients where as soon as their A2P is approved, they go to send out a mass SMS campaign. And with the LC phone system, they have a ramp-up model, which means that you're not going to be able to send out 5,000 messages within that first day. So their limit is going to be 250 messages on day 1. On day 2, it goes up to 500. On day 3, it goes up to 750. Now keep in mind when you're thinking about these numbers that this is total. So if you have an automation where you're sending out an SMS every day to your leads and you upload a lead list of 250, keep in mind that lead list is going to, within the second day, you're going to have sent 500 messages. And it's just going to keep compounding if you keep adding more leads into that nurture sequence. So just kind of remember that when you're thinking about the numbers. So yeah, I'll go ahead and link this below as well so you can take a look. What I like to do with my clients is I'll create a document. So I'll just do like a Google Docs with some of this information. So that way, anytime they come, they're like, hey, I have a question. What are your phone charges, or what are the limits when I'm sending? I can go ahead and just copy off of this and then just put it in a document. That way it's white labeled to my agency and they're getting the information they need as well. Additionally, there's this article on A2P 10DLC brand approval best practices. So this as well goes through the best practices for getting approved and common errors. So I'll go ahead and link this one down below as well. I would highly recommend looking into these. I know they're long and extensive, but it really helps when you're trying to get approved, to figuring out, being able to diagnose why you were denied and what you can do to get approved. So yeah, I hope this video helps. If you guys have any questions about A2P or toll-free registration, please feel free to leave a comment down below and I'd be happy to answer any questions. Additionally, I've had people reach out to me via Facebook, and I'm more than happy to jump on a Zoom with you if you want to walk me through how you set yours up and just, get some ideas of what you could do differently to help get approved. I'm more than willing to do that. Please go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, if it helped you out, go ahead and give it a like. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.